Hi, today I'm making a tomato feta salad. This is a result of all these beautiful heirloom tomatoes that I was able to get and some very freshly picked cherry tomatoes. So I thought this would make an incredible salad. So I've chopped up about 1 cup of my cherry tomatoes in the yellow heirloom tomato, and I've added a 1/4 cup of red onion. So I've diced that into not, pretty small chunks. I'm using 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley and then dill to taste. Some people like the taste of dill, so you can put 1 or 2 teaspoons if you like. I like the taste, so I have about 2.5 teaspoons here. Finely chopped. The last ingredient for the salad is going to be feta. And again, this is another thing that's to your taste. I like quite a bit of feta, so I added a lot. So the last thing you're going to do is create a quick little dressing. It's olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 freshly squeezed lemon. And I just take my lemon and squeeze it into one of my, bowls. Nothing fancy. And I've diced up my garlic. I don't have a garlic press. I need to buy one. But so I made it as fine as I could. And then I added about a teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. You can put salt and pepper to taste, basically, but I'm trying to give you an idea of what I use for that. Then I'm adding a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to just mix this briskly, right? I want to mix this until it's almost, well combined. Now, if you wanted to add Italian seasoning at this point, you could. But I didn't. I just used those 3 ingredients and salt and pepper. And then I added the dressing to my salad. Give it a slight toss. And there you have your tomato feta salad. This takes, 5-8 minutes tops.